Hey everyone, it's Eliza. So I'm coming to you today with a new process video. And in this video, I'm going to be using some elements from Keys of the Kingdom, the journaling cards, and some watercolor leaves from Open Journey. So today I wanted to focus my scripture on change. And I thought, what scripture could I use to represent change? Because we all know that change can be good, change can be bad, change can mean growth, change can mean happiness. So what I do is, however I'm feeling that day, I usually look up scriptures that have to deal with change. And one of the scriptures that I saw was Malachi 3:6. The verse says, "Because I, Yahweh, have not changed, you descendants of Jacob have not been destroyed." And when I think about change, I think about the unchangeableness of God. God is the only person in your life that doesn't change. People may change around you. Your friends may change. Family changes. Even you have changes in life cycle transitions. Babies are born. People die. It seems like everything in the world around you is changing. And the only person that you can look to that doesn't change is God. And God is the only person that doesn't change because his word never changes. So the thing is, we have to depend on God to keep his word. And we often hold on to the promises of his word. We come to God usually because we believe what his word says is true. And because his word never changes, we can look to God as he is the foundation of life. So I've had some people to ask me, where do you get your bows from? And the question is, I actually make them myself. They're really easy. One of the things is, I make my bows how I would make like a normal Bible tab. I'm sure you probably know how to make the other ones where you just put the fabric through the paper clip. So that is actually the first thing that I do, as if I was making just a regular Bible tab. I would just put the fabric through the paper clip and then pull it out. So instead of actually cutting it as like a normal Bible tab, when I pull it through, I actually just go ahead and tie it in a bow like you would do a shoelace. And this is one of the easiest ways. And I like this way because I don't like for my bows to move, like wiggle on the paper clip. So this is a way that I found that was really easy, so that my bows wouldn't swivel back and forth on the paper clip and they'll stay in place. So this is one of the easiest ways. And you kind of have to just work with it. Like once you tie the bow, you just kind of wiggle it however you want to, but it's really, really easy. I promise you, if you practice it, it's really easy.